Financial literacy is a crucial skill that empowers you to take charge of your financial future. Let's take a glimpse into history and learn from the story of one of the most renowned financial wizards of all time, Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin, known for his multifaceted genius, was not just a founding father, but also a prudent financial thinker. His famous saying, "A penny saved is a penny earned," echoes his profound understanding of money management and frugality. Now let's delve into the comprehensive elements that constitute financial literacy, each playing a vital role in shaping a secure financial future. Understanding budgeting. First and foremost, understanding budgeting is the cornerstone of financial literacy. It's akin to having a financial compass, guiding your spending and saving decisions. Budgeting involves meticulous tracking of income, expenses, and savings goals. By comprehending where each dollar goes, you gain control over your finances, making informed decisions and preparing for unforeseen circumstances. Consider adopting various budgeting methods, from the traditional spreadsheet to user-friendly budgeting apps, to tailor a system that aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. Moving on to debt management, a critical aspect of financial literacy. Debt isn't inherently negative, but managing it wisely is crucial. From credit cards to loans, understanding interest rates, repayment strategies, and prioritizing high-interest debt repayment are fundamental. By managing debt effectively, you pave the way towards financial freedom, reducing the burden of interest payments and freeing up resources for investments or savings. Consider strategies like the debt snowball method or the debt avalanche method to systematically tackle debts and regain financial stability. Now let's explore investment knowledge. Educate yourself about various investment options, stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. Each avenue presents unique risks and potential lucrative returns. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risks and optimize returns over the long term. Consider learning about investment strategies like dollar-cost averaging, value investing, or index fund investing, each catering to different risk appetites and investment goals. Next up, financial planning and goal setting. These are the guiding stars on your financial journey. Set clear, achievable financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, building an emergency fund, or pursuing higher education, having a well-defined plan is paramount. Creating a roadmap tailored to your goals involves strategizing savings, investments, insurance, and estate planning to secure your financial future and protect against unforeseen events. Lastly, continuous learning and adaptability form the crux of sustained financial literacy. The financial world is dynamic, constantly evolving, with market fluctuations, regulatory changes, and economic trends. Staying updated and adaptable equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions amidst changing financial landscapes. Engage with financial literature, attend workshops, or seek advice from financial experts to augment your understanding. Adaptability in financial planning allows for flexibility in adjusting strategies according to life changes, economic shifts, or alterations in personal goals. In conclusion, financial literacy is more than just a skill. It's an empowering tool that unlocks the doors to financial freedom and security. By mastering these key factors, you pave the way towards a brighter financial future. Join Currency Confidence on this journey towards financial literacy. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share this video with those seeking financial empowerment. And together, let's embark on the path to financial wisdom.